Yeah. Chipping. Chipping.
Say if I want to go that way,
Yeah.
go that way first, and then I can walk that way with it without being dragged.
Right, right.
Yeah. Let the wing go where you want it to go first. Don't like try and do that.
Right. I'm with you. So I was saying to my granddad, I want to learn how to do it like you had, you know, with that. You just like you're just grabbing the lines. It's a good thing about having a smaller kite, because even when it's really windy, you're not too bad with it. Oh, definitely, it's just like a speed kite, isn't it? Speed wing. Down to a T, mate. They don't know, do they? Like, a lot of videos I've seen, it's just shit. Yeah, it'll balance it out, I think, mate. See you later. You've got your ground training now. So, did you want to learn this from the guy from America? No, you don't. It's all grabbing the lines, isn't it? You seem more steady, do you know, when you're grabbing lines? You seem more comfortable with the lines instead of odding your toggles. And they're like, it says where you're shifting, you just use your shoulders, don't you? Yeah. As soon as you slack off, that's when it goes behind, isn't it? This is where wind's getting strong, mate. Yeah, this is definitely 50 plus. Bailed and no gliding, fuck hell. Look at that. No, I haven't seen that then. Just talk to him. Straight off camera. Get some wing touches in and that. So ground training is like the most best thing really, isn't it? For when you're up in air and that as well. I'm a lot lighter than you, pal. It's just nice to watch you, mate. It's cool. You're bouncing, get some air time. It is, isn't it? Look at fucking flag. You're doing well, mate. Yeah, that's what we're saying. What do you do in strong conditions like? Yeah. Fast bring down, straight walk into it.
Use brakes, but it's a bit more rougher.
Yeah.